Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we have Allure Beauty Box. I think it's $15 a month. I don't know. It'll be on the screen. I don't know when this is going to go up, but there is a giveaway going on as soon as I hit 3K. If you guys can help me get there, that'd be great. That giveaway is linked down below, but it's 3 big boxes filled with makeup and skincare and body care and all of that. I think it's 15, I'm just not sure. Let's get into Allure. So I open it up and this is what I see, and right away I am decently surprised. Do I get prices? I do get prices. I never remember. Let's see, anything else? No, I think that's it. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is by Purifying, and it's a watermelon and charcoal purifying cleanser. I think I will keep that, mostly because the packaging is gorgeous, and that's a reason to keep stuff, because of the packaging. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so this is what the packaging on the inside looks like. I really hope it smells like watermelon. There's probably a safety seal. There is. And I can't really smell it through the safety seal, so, but I will keep it and I will use it. I just don't know when, because I got a lot of things I'm using right now. That retails for $18. I think that that's really reasonable. The next thing I am pulling out is Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera. I'm pretty sure I've had this before, and I will probably just toss it into the giveaway. I gotta find it. There it is. The full size retails for $38. I don't think this is the full size, but I will just toss that into the giveaway. The next thing I am pulling out is by Yensa, and it is a Super 8 lip oil. I feel like I just got this. I feel like I just got this in a box. So this retails for $28. It's in the color Pink Shine. That is so pretty. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see through that? Like I can see through that. That's kind of cool. It kind of glows. I don't know, maybe if I hold it at the right angle, you can see it. I don't know. It looks way different in person than it does on camera. I will keep that. I don't know how I necessarily feel about lip oils. It just depends on the consistency of the oil. We'll see. The next thing I am pulling out is this Roche-Posay Active C10. I have no idea what any of that means. It retails for $50. I'm pretty sure this is just a sample. Let's see, what is it? Okay, so it looks like it's a brightening serum. I will probably just pass that along. As you can see, my face is really, really pale. I don't really have dark spots anywhere. Sometimes when I get out into the sun, I will get some dark spots like on my body, on my arms, but not really on my face or my neck. So there's that. The next thing I am pulling out are these Dashing Diva Gloss. Last up to 14 days, and they are just nails. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I am not a nail person, and if I am a nail person, basically what I am is a coat on my fingernails type of a person, or I physically go and get my nails done. This sort of thing is not my thing, but I think that my daughter likes messing with stuff like this. I don't know. Those crystal ones are kind of pretty though. I don't know. I'll open them up, I'll look at them and see how easy or not easy they are. But those retail for $9, which isn't bad. If I decide I don't like them, I will just pass them along to my daughter. And then the last thing I am pulling out is a face mask, Star Skin face mask, and that retails for $10. And it looks like it has a few different steps going on there, but I'm totally down for that. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope it took you out of your space for a minute, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.